Look at the scale of a modern feedlot. To support tens of thousands of cattle, they move an astronomical volume of food every day. That demand is met by a constant inflow of raw agricultural commodities, bulk shipments of barley, wheat, hay, cottonseed, and silage. If these ingredients are presented separately, cattle will selectively eat only what they prefer. This sorting behavior leaves the most important nutrients in the bottom of the bunk, leading to unbalanced nutrition across the herd. Feed mill managers operate on the principle that cattle perform best on a steady, unwavering diet. A perfect meal is useless if it's followed by an inconsistent one the next day. To prevent selective eating, these distinct ingredients must be bound into a single, unified diet. In a feedlot, this final, inseparable mixture is known as a ration. To achieve this, feedlots rely on the feed mill. These gravity-fed structures are engineered to receive, process, and combine ingredients into a repeatable mathematical formula. The mill operates as the kitchen of the feedlot. It's an active processing facility designed to standardize nutrition and remove variables inherent in raw agriculture. The material journey begins at the very top of the mill's receiving area. Before any load is accepted, it is sampled and tested. Lab technicians verify every shipment against strict quality baselines to ensure the raw inputs meet the nutritionist's specifications. Approved quantities move into dedicated storage bins. This isolation ensures that the moisture levels and nutrient profiles of the barley stay separate from the silage until the moment of mixing. From these bins, gravity pulls the ingredients down into the middle level of the facility, the processing core. Here, whole grains pass through heavy steel roller mills. These machines use physical force to crack and crush the hard outer hulls of the kernels. As this diagram shows, cracking the grain drastically increases its surface area. This expansion allows the grain to absorb moisture during mixing and significantly improves digestive efficiency for the cattle. By the time the materials pass through these upper stages, the mill has stripped away the unpredictable physical properties of the raw harvest. The processed materials drop further into the lowest levels of the facility, the mixing systems. This bar chart represents the ration's formula. High-capacity scales measure each ingredient to a precise weight, ensuring the final mix follows the exact proportions required for herd health. Once the dry ingredients are weighed, the system infuses the batch with liquids, specifically water and molasses, to reach a precise moisture target. Inside the mixer, mechanical churning forces the liquids to coat and permanently bind the dry particles together. This prevents the cattle from sorting or picking out individual ingredients later. The finished ration cascades down through a metal chute, dropping directly into the loadout bays where feed trucks wait. As the product leaves the mill, the individual ingredients have been completely replaced by a cohesive, mathematically unified ration. Ground-level feed trucks transport this finished ration across the grid of cattle pens. At the bunk, you can see the result of the process, a visually uniform feed. Unlike a pile of separate ingredients, this mixture ensures every steer receives the exact same nutrition in every bite. Professional mills prioritize this level of repeatability. Because cattle performance suffers if the diet fluctuates, the operation is built to deliver the same result every single day. Maintaining standards requires constant scale calibration, quality control testing, and obsessive maintenance of processing machinery. The mill's massive hardware is essentially a tool for execution, translating the scientific intent of a livestock nutritionist into a physical reality. The feed mill is the physical bridge between nutritional theory and biological performance. It ensures that even the highest quality ingredients reach their potential through precise processing and delivery.